Hello students, hope you all are well, staying blessed and healthy. Students, as we know, we are going through critical situations, so it is better to stay at home and be safe. And utilize your time in a good way, do some exercises, eat healthy, and focus on your further studies. And don't waste your time. Students, I am Aarti Bishra and I am going to discuss about your 11th class syllabus. So in 11th class, question paper will be of 80 marks. There will be a 3 sections. Section A, that is reading comprehension, section B for writing skills and grammar, and section C for literature. Students, I have already sent you the PDF file of syllabus, so go through it. In section A, reading comprehension, there shall be 2 unseen passages including poems with a variety of questions like objective type questions, short answer questions, and multiple choice questions. And the range of the 2 passages including a poem or a stanza should be 900-1000 words. The passage of 550-600 words in length will be used for note making and summarizing. So student, this year we will study about the note making and summarizing. It will be of 8 marks. And the passage of 350-400 words in length will be used to assess interpretation and comprehension. So coming to the writing section, that is section B, 30 marks. One short answer question based on notice, poster, advertisement will be there. It will be of 4 marks. So this year we will study the notice writing, advertisement and poster. Then there will be a letter writing also. It would cover all types of letters like business. You are already familiar with it as you have studied it in 10th class, like business or official letters, letters to the editor, application for a job with a biodata, or very long answer questions, that is composition in the form of article, speech, report, debate writing, etc. will be asked. It will be of 8 marks. So we will study article writing, speech writing, report writing or debate writing. Then coming to the grammar, so in grammar there will be the questions will be based on gap filling, sentence reordering, dialogue completion and sentence transformation. The grammar syllabus will include determiners, tenses, clauses and modals and change of voice. Now it will be tested through like editing omissions and reordering of sentence and transformation of sentences. You all are familiar with it and you have studied it in 10th class, so it won't be a problem for you. So coming to the literature section, in literature, 2 objective type questions out of 3 based on extract from poetry to assess reference to context, comprehension and appreciations. And 5 short answer question out of 6, 3 questions from hornbill based on prose, poetry and plays from both the text. It will be of 10 marks. And again 1 long answer question out of 2 from hornbill to be answered in 120-150 words. So there will be 2 books, that is hornbill and snapshot. Hornbill, prose and poetry will be there and snapshot is a supplementary reader. So 1 long answer question out of 2 from hornbill to be answered in 120-50 words. And again 1 long answer question out of 2 from snapshots to be answered in 120-150 words. It will be of 6 marks. So from hornbill and from snapshot both there will be a long question answers. So prescribed textbooks are hornbill and snapshot, and of course there will be internal assessment based on assessment of listening and speaking skills. It will be for 20 marks. So students, as you are already familiar with it, you have practiced it in 10th class and we will practice it in 11th class also. So there will be enough time to practice the assessment of listening and speaking skill. So students, go through the syllabus. I have discussed it in a very short. Go through the syllabus that I have sent you in a PDF file and wait for my next audio video. Thank you.